Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some tips and tricks on how to write a dog park business plan part 2. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and run through some tips and tricks on how to write a dog park business plan. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Real quick, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me, text me, email. I would be delighted to help y'all with your business plan. I am also a business mentor as well as a business consultant. So my services range anywhere from helping y'all understand your financials to strategic planning, executing those strategic plans to optimizing your operations, all those wonderful things that a business consultant and a business mentor does, I do. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you all have your business plan ready to go, but you need those pesky financial projections done, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to assist. And with that said, let's dive right back into it. For tip number one, make sure you have a nice, clean, and to the point title page. So the way that I like to structure my title pages is I'll put the company name up top just to let the reader know, hey, this is my company, and here this is the name of it. Next, what I like to do is I would like to go ahead and put the logo, whatever the company logo is. I like to put it right underneath the company name, and then finally at the bottom, make sure you put your business plan. So when you present a reader with this structure, they're going to immediately know what your company is. They're going to see your logo, and they're going to again immediately know, hey, this is a business plan. So now you've set their expectations. You don't want to put a bunch of fluff in here. You want it straight. You want it clean. You want it to the point. And for the second tip is going to be for your executive summary. In your executive summary, you want to tell your story of your organization and you want to tell it succinctly. First, you want to tell the reader, what you're going to be doing, how you're going to be doing it, and where you're going to be doing it. So that's going to be under your dog park, your summary. Next, you want to go ahead and let them know who's your target market, who's going to be most utilizing your services, and you want to be able to tell that in about a sentence or two. After that, you want to get into your financial highlights. You want to let the reader know, hey, this is how much money we're going to make, this is how much it's going to cost us, and then succinctly let them know what you think your net profits are going to be for the first year. And then finally, once you introduce your company and tell them who you're going to be servicing and you give them the financial highlights, then you tell them how much money you need to get this party started. So you can see right here that this is short, it's sweet, it's to the point, and you also have a understandable structure that's going to lead them to knowing what your investment is for this startup or expansion for that matter. And for the final tip, you want to make sure you include a SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats in your business plan. But you want to make sure you do your SWOT analysis correctly. A lot of people, they know what a strength, a weakness is, an opportunity, and a threat, but they don't know how to structure it appropriately. For example, your strengths and weaknesses for your organization, those should be internal components. Those are things that you can control within your organization. For example, your management experience. Well, that's something within your organization. Your documented plans, your strategic plans, your business plans within your organization. A weakness is, well, you are a startup company. This is within your organization. And then your business model is untested. Those are some examples of weaknesses, and those are things that, again, are within your organization. When you go ahead and approach your opportunities and threats, those are external to your organization. Those are things you cannot control. Community involvement, appeal to most dog owners, prime location. Those are everything outside of your business. As in, and keep also for your local competitors, and then susceptible to economic turnout. So these are all things outside of your control, and you want to go ahead and place those in your opportunities and threats. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.